Hey guys, I'm back here with the second part of the box break. I'm going to raffle off the Tiger Williams, Busick, Retro How. It's not a real old card, but... and these are going to go to everybody who bought a team. Your name gets put into the draw. I'm going to randomize it 3 times. And the person at the top of the list the third time is going to get the card. We'll start with Tiger Williams, and then Busick, and then How. And then for the people who didn't get a card, I'm going to send these 3, and I'm going to raffle these 3 off. The person at the top of the randomization gets all the cards. Okay, so I'm going to do the Tiger Williams first for everybody that bought a team. Just going to put everybody's name in the same order that I did the box break in. Most teams first, least teams last. And then I'm going to randomize it 3 times. I don't know if you can see that on there. Okay, you see that? Okay, I'm going to randomize it 3 times. Person at the top gets the Tiger Williams card. The third time. At number 1, VE. Number 2, DR. Number 3, DAAN. Gets the Tiger Williams. It's a pretty nice card. We got a few of them. DA. Okay, so I'm just going to randomize it one more time. Person at the top gets the Busick auto. Okay, that's me, so I'm not going to keep it. We're going to do it one more time here. Okay, CHEN gets the Busick auto. Cool card. CHEN, Busick auto. Okay, one more time. Person at the top gets the How. It's GL7P. Gets the Gordie Howe. It's a cool card. Hard to see there. Okay, now that's it for this. I'm going to put everybody's name in that didn't get a card, and they're the only ones that have a chance of getting the 3 old cards here. Okay. Where is it? Okay, just one sec here. I think I lost it. Okay, I just gotta manually enter everybody's name in here. So bear with me. Just gonna put the first 2 and the last 2 letters of the people's names. So it's JE08 and CAWO and RONR and BE41, and that's it. Everybody else got a card. So we'll randomize these guys and we'll do it 3 times. The guy at the top gets the 3 old cards. Oh, what the hell is that? Okay, no commas. It's the first time I've done this, so like I said, bear with me. What? Okay. I got her now. Okay. 1, 2, 3. JE08 gets the 3 old cards. Alright guys, thanks. I'm going to make this a steady thing, I think. And I think I'm going to do this every time. If nobody gets any cards, I'm going to raffle off something. So at least you have a chance of getting something if you don't get anything the first time. And there's the old cards. They're cool. I don't think they're worth nothing, but the corners have been cut and stuff. Yeah, cool for a collection, I guess. Alright, thanks.